Greetings and welcome to today's presentation. Today's topic is solving the current Israeli-Palestinian conflict. And this is part one of my series titled The Palestinians Are Also Abraham's Children. Now, Israel and Palestine is roughly the same place. It has just been divided politically over the centuries. However, when Jesus returns, everyone will be living in peace under King Jesus for 1,000 years, according to Revelation chapter 20. Now, Jesus was setting an example when he healed a woman with infirmity on the Sabbath day in St. Luke 13 and verse 16. When questioned, Jesus said she was a daughter of Abraham, whom Satan has bound for 18 years. Now, the Palestinians are children of Abraham, with some fractions being taken over by the influence of Iran and other geopolitical forces. Hamas seems to be under the influence of Iran and probably Hezbollah, while Israel enjoys the backing of the USA and the UK, among other Western countries. Everyone knows that Hamas cannot be defeated militarily because it is the idea behind Hamas that is the issue. For example, another group could rise up 1 to 3 years from now with a different name other than Hamas, with the same ideology as Hamas. The chance of Palestine shall be free from the river to the sea does not leave any room for Israel's existence as a nation in the Middle East. Though the official talk now is for a two-state solution, I think Israel is afraid of what that could lead to. For example, the build-up of arms unchecked over a number of years, supported by Iran in an independent Palestinian state within Israel. And that's what Israel is concerned about, because I think. Okay, now, but Israel needs to be careful not to overstep its bound in the current conflict. Ideally, what Israel needs to do is to step back from the current killing of innocent civilians and allow a multinational force to go inside Gaza and demilitarize Gaza, including destroying the tunnels where Hamas seems to have its weapon storage. That's my solution. That's my idea. That's my opinion. You know that because Israel cannot allow the Hamas or any other group to just come at will and kill its innocent people on the one hand, but on the other hand, it cannot also just haphazardly kill innocent Palestinians as well. Now I will go through the 4,000 years history of Israel and Palestine, the land of Canaan, from days of Abraham and even Terah, Abraham's father, up until current day today. But I will do that in a series of posts over the next coming days and weeks. So subscribe to my channel to receive part 2, where I will go into the 4,000 year history of the land of Canaan from the days of Abraham to present. Now let's keep praying for the peace of Israel and for the peace of the Palestinian people, because they are all Abraham's children. For my next video, peace.